3.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Down Louisiana, close to New Orleans. We're back up in the woods, I'm on the evergreen. Sort of loaded cabin made of earth and wood. We'll lift a country boy named Johnny B. Good. We'll never ever let a read to write so well, but he could play guitar just like a ring on bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny. Johnny be good. He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack. He's sleeping in the trees by the railroad track. Oh, the engineer was sitting under shade, strumming with the rhythm that the drivers made. People passing by, they would stop my man. Oh my, but that little country boy can play. Go, 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 Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. I said go. I said Johnny, be good.
Thank you very much. Can you introduce yourself, because I will send you the blues note to them this video.
Yeah, alright, cool. Yo, what up, y'all? How's y'all doing? Y'all know what it is. It's your homeboy, Laҳзаи from Morocco. You know, I play rap music, I play blues, I play jazz, I play everything. Just my homeboy from Norway right now, and he told me to play some music, though, and here you are. I hope y'all enjoy, I hope y'all like it. Y'all know what's up.
Just if you have some message for the blues note to them, because I
you know, I'm a blues fan I mean, since a long time ago. So I've been playing for like pretty much now 7 years though. I've been playing some blues, you know, Delta blues. I mean, I'm a Steve Ray Vaughan fan, so I play all kind of music though. So it will be my best though to go to Norway and play music for the festival though. So I hope y'all enjoy it when I come around.
But inshallah, I will send this video directly.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Inshallah, they will contact you. Because I think it's the blues is a very famous festival.
Yeah, I know. I listen to some blues bands in Norway.
Yeah, but
yeah,
it's very
so cool.
possible because it's a big opportunity in Norway.
Yeah.
You can come here and share your experience and feeling to other people.
Sure thing.
But thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome, my homeboy. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Have a nice day.